Welcome to the latest update program. The topic of discussion is Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana unveiled. Recently, the Union Minister of Education and Skill Development and Entrepreneurship unveiled the Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana in Sambalpur, Odisha. The inauguration of the Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana reaffirms the government's commitment to harnessing the nation's skill, potential and realizing the vision of a Kushal Bharat, Viksit Bharat. Now, information about Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana. It is tailored specifically for beneficiaries of the PM Swanidhi scheme. It includes a 22-week entrepreneurship training program that blends theoretical learning with practical experience. The pilot phase of the project will be executed through centers of the National Institute of Entrepreneurship and Small Business Development and centers of the Indian Institute of Entrepreneurship, Guwahati. Key features of the project are Udyamita Kendras, leveraging existing infrastructure such as Pradhan Mantri Kushal Kendras and Jan Shikshan Sansthans for convenience. Mentoring and hand-holding support. Entrepreneurs will receive focused business and technical mentoring, infrastructure support and industry connections. Training for trainers. Creation of a pool of skilled trainers and mentors through a rigorous selection process. Curriculum alignment. Tailored training modules meeting the specific requirements of PM Swanidhi beneficiaries, and assessment and certification. Online and offline assessment leading to certification bearing the logos of Skill India, NIESBUD or IIE. Now is the time for practice question. Which schemes beneficiaries are the primary focus of the Rashtriya Udyamita Vikas Pariyojana to boost entrepreneurship? Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana or Pradhan Mantri Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates. For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.